welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jaritza. I hope that you guys had a great holiday with your family members and friends. I do appreciate those that have been subscribing to my channel and showing me love on my last video, which was the Shein haul. I'm gonna be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of December. As you guys noticed, I did downgrade it to the base box. I used to have the premium box and it went up like $5 more, so it's like $40 a month. And I just thought for what I was paying, and I feel like it wasn't enough. I don't know. So I downgraded to the base box, which is $25 a month. You do get 5 products and you do get to choose, if I'm not mistaken, it's 1 product or 2 products. So yeah, so let's jump right into the base box. Theme of the month is Gift of Glam, and it's always gonna come with a card like this with the theme of the month. And on the back, it's just gonna tell you the products that are in the box. First one that I see here, it is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, it is Algenist. And this is an eye renewal balm. It reduces the look of dark circles and is formulated with hyaluronic acid. It's a little creamy. Looks like it's pretty thick. Apply to the eye area twice a day and to use only as directed. Excited to try this product. $68 for this product. Wow. Helps reduce dark circles under the eyes, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in 10 days. This is the second product. It is Mudmasky. It's a mineral infused double cleansing mask. This retails for $59, and it is a mineral infused double cleansing mask, 3-in-1 formula for sensitive skin. Replaces your night cleanser. It says deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. It's also fragrance free and pH balanced. Interesting. Decided to try this mask, and that retails for $59. The next one that I see here is the Ultravolume tubing mascara. This retails for $26. Cruelty-free, clean, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, Satin-free, fragrance-free, everything free. Showing the before and after on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm guessing this is a good mascara. But look at how cute. Look at this color of this mascara, if you guys can see. So I cannot wait to try this. It's called Sophia and Mabelle. It's a satin powder highlight, and this retails for $22. Peach Sangria. And look at how cute, guys. That is pretty. Ooh, but do you see how beautiful that highlight is? I cannot wait to try this. We have our last product, and it is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. It is water resistant liquid eyeliner, and this retails for $18. That's the packaging. It is cruelty free and vegan. Do you see how cute? How pretty. Those were all my products for the Boxycharm base box for the month of December. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm planning on doing a giveaway once I reach my 300 subscribers on my channel. I really do appreciate those that have been subscribing and showing me love and support on my video, and those that have been taking their time to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and make sure that you click on that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.